welcome to the podcast for When the Curves Line Up for October 17, 2023. Please see the article that includes diagrams of today's events on the website at whenthecurveslineup.com. Text by Jeffrey L. Hunt. In Chicago, sunrise occurs at 7:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time, followed by sunset at 6:06 p.m. No day at Chicago's latitude experiences precisely 11 hours of daylight this year. Today and tomorrow the length is within a minute of that mark. After today, daylight is less than 11 hours until February 24, 2024. Today the star Spica is in conjunction with the Sun. This means that the Sun is between Earth and the distant star, with the Sun's brilliance overwhelming our view. Spica returns to the morning sky early next month. Antares, now in the southwestern evening sky, is the next bright star to pass solar conjunction on December 2nd. Look for the crescent moon near the star during the next few evenings. Here is today's planet forecast. In the morning sky, Jupiter's Great Red Spot is visible twice through a telescope during this calendar day from the Middle States. The first appearance occurs at 12:23 a.m. CDT. The second occurs 2 Jupiter days later at 8:14 p.m. CDT. Venus, less than a week before its greatest separation from the Sun, rises nearly 4 hours before daybreak. It stands about 30 degrees up in the east-southeast at 1 hour before sunrise and gleams through brighter twilight as the Sun nears the eastern horizon. The morning star is stepping eastward in front of Leo, 7.5 degrees below Regulus, the Lion's brightest star. Their conjunction occurred October 9th. Yesterday, Venus passed Rho Leonis. This morning Venus is 1.3 degrees to the lower right of that star. In less than a week, Venus passes nearly 10 degrees from Cherton, in the Lion's haunches, making a wide conjunction. The star's name means the two small ribs. Jupiter, the second brightest star-like body this morning, is about 30 degrees above the western horizon, nearly matching Venus' altitude, height above the horizon. The Jovian giant is 12.3 degrees to the left of Hamel, meaning the full-grown lamb, and 11.3 degrees to the upper right of Menkar, meaning the nostril. It is about 20 degrees below the Pleiades star cluster that rides on the back of Taurus. The bull's head is made by Aldebaran and the Hyades star cluster. Jupiter is retrograding as opposition nears next month. It passes between Hamel and Menkar on the 28th. Mercury reaches superior conjunction in 3 days and it is hiding in sunlight, rising only 10 minutes before the Sun. In the evening sky, Mars is also hiding in bright sunlight, setting 26 minutes after the Sun. At 45 minutes after sunset, the crescent moon, 11% illuminated, is only 5 degrees above the southwest horizon. It is at the Scorpion's head, near Graphius, Chuba, and Pi Scorpii. Chuba is known as the Scorpion's forehead or crown. With the scene's low altitude, use a binocular to see the stars, along with earthshine, from sunlight reflecting from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land that softly illuminates the lunar night. Look for Antares, 8.2 degrees to the upper left of the lunar crescent. This star disappears into evening twilight near Halloween, known as its heliacal setting. It sets within a minute of sunset, known as the star's cosmic setting, November 24th, at Chicago's latitude. Overnight from Southeast Asia, the moon occults or eclipses Sigma Scorpii. As the sky grows darker, finds Saturn nearly 30 degrees up in the southeast at an hour after sundown. It is not as bright as Jupiter or Saturn, but outshines most stars this evening. It is retrograding in front of Aquarius, 6.9 degrees to the left of Deneb Alchdi, Capricornus tail. Look for Fomalhaut, the mouth of the southern fish, about 20 degrees below Saturn. Its presence in the evening sky is a signal that autumn has arrived. Saturn is in the south about 4 hours after sundown. It sets over 4 hours before sunup and before Venus rises. At this hour Jupiter is low in the east-northeast. It is bright enough to be seen near the horizon, through the haze that filters and blurs celestial objects. By 2 hours after sundown, Jupiter is nearly 15 degrees up in the east, below Hamal and to the upper left of the Pleiades. Near midnight it is about halfway up in the east-southeast. Tomorrow morning it is in the western sky again. Thank you for listening. Please read the articles at whenthecurveslineup.com.